let's begin with former President Trump and what are the major tax policy proposals that he has put forward?
Sure, Bob. We might yet be able to bucket them. That is, some Trump proposals run exactly contrary to what Harris would suggest. Others are Trump specific or Harris specific, and some they might yet agree on. But let's talk about Trump's big tax proposals. One that, of course, Harris opposes diametrically is extending the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. There are a variety of tax rates that will expire: individual tax rate cuts, state tax rate cuts, and other measures in 2025. And Trump wants to extend all of those. Recall the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in 2017 is Trump's crown jewel of his first term. And so Trump wants to double down, not just extend, but actually say lower corporate tax rates even further. It went from 35 to 21 in 2017. Trump suggested going down to 20, and if he could, down to 15. So that's one big item. How should we look at the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act? But then Trump has a few items that are unique to him. This month, he proposed no taxes on tips. He proposed that in Nevada, which was very attractive to a lot of Nevada residents. Trump has, specific to him, also a very aggressive view of tariffs. He suggested a 10% tariff across the board and a 60% tariff on imported goods from China. Tariffs are basically another word for tax, and I think most economists believe they fall on consumers. But they also would, to some degree, protect US industry, which is Trump's goal. And then as a last item, just to signal, there were tax measures in the so-called Project 2025, which is comprised of a lot of former Trump and current Trump advisors. Many of them like measures, at least from tax, that Trump also has adopted, like higher tariffs and cutting tax rates even further than the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. But some of them signal where the conservatives, or at least the brand of conservatives that Trump has been promoting in recent years, might like to go, like a consumption tax.